Want to create a group chat in TikTok with your friends? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open TikTok. Tap on Inbox at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the plus icon at the top right. You'll see a list of friends. Select at least 2 people to create a group chat. You can't create a group with just one person. You can also use the search bar to find specific friends. Once you've selected everyone, tap Create. And just like that, your TikTok group chat is ready. Now, let's customize it. Open the group chat. Tap on the group name at the top. Select Edit Group Info. From here, you can change the group name, add a group photo, manage members, assign admins, remove people, or even transfer group ownership. You can also invite more friends using an invite link or QR code. And that's it. That's how you create a group chat in TikTok with friends. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.